Welcome to today's deep dive. If you're managing complex AV setups, you definitely know the headache of signal routing.
Oh, absolutely. It is a nightmare sometimes.
Right. So today we are pulling from a stack of product specs and internal dealer notes to look at a highly specialized piece of networking gear, the Just Add Power VBS-HDIP-725 POE transmitter.
It is quite a mouthful to say.
It really is.
Yeah.
But, okay, let's unpack this. Moving professional SDI video feeds across an IP network usually means relying on messy SDI to HDMI converters.
Yeah, which is just an extra step in the chain that nobody really wants to deal with. Every extra step is a potential liability in a live environment.
Exactly.
So the core mission of our deep dive today is unpacking how this specific device streamlines high-definition video distribution. By taking that external converter out of the equation entirely, you eliminate a major point of failure in your server rack.
Which is huge.
Yeah.
The core function here just cuts right to the chase. This unit takes your SDI source, handling up to 1080p resolution, and encodes it directly onto your IP network.
Right, and it doesn't force you to rip out your old hardware either.
Yeah, that is a great point. It is fully compatible with older 2G and 3G models, meaning you can view that encoded feed on any existing receiver in your system.
What's fascinating here is the sheer technical efficiency packed into such a small footprint.
Oh yeah, the specs are pretty wild.
They are. Instead of just listing off numbers, think about what this means for installation. It operates on a mere 10 watts of active power, and it survives extreme temperatures from 32 all the way up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit.
Wow.
Right. Plus, because it only weighs 1.1 pounds and measures just 6.2 inches wide, it is specifically ruggedized for those tightly packed, overheating rack environments where space and airflow are at premium.
It really solves that physical bottleneck.
Yeah.
And you aren't sacrificing connectivity for the size either.
Not at all.
You still get your stereo output featuring an adjustable audio delay, a local HDMI loop out for pass-through monitoring right at the rack, and a null modem integrated RS-232 port for serial control.
Super handy.
It is an incredibly lean way to handle AV over IP. But here's where it gets really interesting. Digging through the dealer notes, there is a strict, almost secret pricing policy attached to this hardware.
Secret is definitely the right word for it.
Authorized dealers are expressly prohibited from showing the actual price of this unit online.
Which is a crucial insight into how the professional AV ecosystem operates. Companies fiercely protect their authorized networking channels to ensure quality control.
Right, so the stakes for you as a buyer are surprisingly high here.
Very high. Because of this policy, if you actually see a price advertised online for this transmitter, that vendor is unauthorized by default.
Instant red flag.
Exactly. And if you buy from them, you immediately void Just Add Power's 3-year warranty. You're completely on your own if something goes down.
So do not go hunting for gray market discount bins on this one. It is not worth the risk to your network. Though if you are checking out through an authorized channel, you can always try using the code 10% off. Just whispering that for anyone who loves a deal.
Yeah, I wouldn't hold my breath on that code working, but the broader point remains.
Hey, you never know.
True. But you really have to play by the rules of the professional ecosystem to get that enterprise-grade support.
Absolutely. So whether you are a seasoned AV professional, someone managing office tech for a corporate campus, or just a person who appreciates brutally efficient systems, this device really is a perfect case study.
It really is.
It shows exactly how eliminating a single middleman, like an external HDMI converter, makes your entire network vastly more reliable and easier to manage.
This raises an important question. This transmitter is undeniably a rugged powerhouse for moving 1080p video over IP.
For sure.
But with the commercial industry rapidly pushing toward massive 4K and even 8K video files, how will legacy networks seamlessly bridge the gap between these reliable 1080p workhorses and the massive bandwidth demands of the future?
That is absolutely something to consider as you design your next system. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive.